Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing tooth gems on my retainers. You guys loved my other tooth gem videos so much, so I decided to do a version on my retainers. I actually saw this on TikTok, and also one of you guys commented on the last video that I should put tooth gems on my retainers because I was saying that I was gonna wait until I got my Invisalign off to put tooth gems on, but someone was like, you should just put tooth gems on your retainers, and I was like, that's such a good idea. So I decided to record it. So I decided to do this one at home to make it more relatable for you guys, because I know in my last video you guys were asking how to get the supplies and instruments that I were using. So this one I'm doing at home. And right now I'm just showing you guys what I have. I have my tweezers. I do have cement from my dental office because I didn't want to use super glue. I'm going to look on Amazon and see if there's any options for you guys. So be sure to look in the description box. But use Gorilla Glue or super glue at your own risk. I'm not telling you guys to do that, but if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. But I am going to look on Amazon to see if there is some other options. So now I am just picking out my gems. I'm going with the smaller ones. Now I am deciding where I want to place them. On the lowers, I am just going to put one on each single tooth, if that makes sense. You guys will see in a minute. The rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch. This is very tedious, so just take your time. Don't put too much glue. Make sure you let them sit overnight before putting them in, just to make sure everything is dry, and you guys should be good. And then just try to figure out what placement you want to do. You can do so many designs, so many placements. So whatever that you guys are into, you can do that. So I'm going to let you guys continue to watch the video. Do not click off. Make sure you watch to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. So wait to the end so you guys can see my final results and how they look inside of my mouth. But I'm gonna go for real now. I will see you guys in my next video. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or standing overseas and just wait me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay, but I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? You claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Here's what I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I made it my vision, yeah. It's the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby.